Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how much money I make in a month from day trading. This will only be my day trading account. I am not swinging any positions on this account. That means at the end of each trading day, I'm flat with holding 0 positions on my account. This is one of the most common questions I get. How much money do I actually make from day trading? Because I have been trading for 3 years now without taking any breaks in between. I have maybe taken 5 trading days off just because I had something, I was traveling or something, but for the most part, I have been trading consistently for the past 3 years. In this video, I will first tell you guys why I'm making this video for August 2021, why I won't be making this video every single month, and finally, I will show you guys the P&L statement for August 2021. Coming to the reasons for me to make this video, the first reason is simple, that I have been trading for 3 years now. So just to give you guys a rough idea how much you can expect to make after 3 years of consistent day trading. I know some people take a year to make this much amount of money. Some people take 5 years. At the end of the day, it's your own journey, but I will be telling you guys about how much money I am making on an average on a monthly basis. Also, this month, August 2021, has neither been my best month nor my worst month. Just to put it in perspective, on my best months in 2021, I have made $50,000 plus from day trading in 1 month. On my worst month, that happened once. I have lost $25,000 to $30,000 from day trading. But usually on my red months that are not very often, I try to limit them to only $5,000 to $7,000 because I'm making more than $10,000 on my green months. As a day trader, your job is to make more money on your green months, on your green weeks, on your green days than you are losing on your red days, red weeks, and red months respectively. That's why I think it's a good month to make a video about, because it's neither my best month nor my worst month. It's a good month and a good video for you guys. If you have been following me on Instagram for a while, for the past 2-3 years, because ever since I started day trading, I had an Instagram account, my trading account that I have been posting consistently on. You guys know my trading journey from $3,000 to $100,000 in 2020 itself. At first, I was making $50, $100, then I started making $500. Now, these days, even if I make $5,000, I don't feel anything. So that has been an amazing journey. I have started being active on YouTube recently, so a video of my day trading journey summarizing the past 2-3 years is coming out soon on this channel. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you guys get notified when I release that video. Also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. If I don't make a video on my red days, I usually post them on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you guys will know how my trading journey is going. And you can scroll through my whole feed and see how I started, where I started, how I was losing money, how I started making money, and then how I grew my account. Now coming to the reasons why I won't be making this video every single month, because first of all, I care about my trading journey more than flaunting on social media how much money I'm making from day trading, and it's not healthy for any day trader. What I mean by healthy is that if you guys are following me on YouTube, on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you guys are also following a lot of different day traders, swing traders, forex traders. None of those guys have been posting consistently their monthly statements because it's not sustainable. At least from the people I follow, they're going to post it for 3 months, 6 months, a year maybe. But at the end of the day, it's not sustainable. So I don't want to start anything that I know is not sustainable in the long run. And why is it not sustainable? It's pretty easy, because when you have a red streak, maybe a red week, maybe a big red month like I had this year, your goal as a trader is to come back from it. Your goal is not to make a video about it, post that on social media, get criticism, get comments, because none of those guys know about your trading journey. None of those guys know how to come back from the loss, because you know, if you have been consistent, it's only you who knows how to come back from that loss. So you have to remove all the noise, focus on your trading and to come back from it. So the next time you see a trader posting about the monthly statement for like 5, 6, 7, 8 months and then out of the blue stop posting suddenly, because most likely they were faced with a red month, or maybe they were feeling the pressure from the comments, from the criticism of anything. And you guys know that trading is already a very emotional career. It's a very, very difficult career, but it's a rewarding career. At the end of the day, you can make millions of dollars from day trading. And posting about it every single month is just another barrier you are creating for yourself between you and your success in day trading. The second reason I won't be making this kind of video every single month is that I am a risk taker. I know it sounds silly, but let me explain. There are two kinds of traders. One is the risk averse, second is the risk taker. What I mean by risk averse and conservative kind of traders are like those who are green on the month. For example, as a day trader, you are just green maybe $10,000 for the month. What I will do is that if I'm green for the month, if my monthly goal is to make $5,000 and I'm green $10,000 for the month, I won't get attached to that money. I will risk those extra money, $5,000, to score $50,000 a month. And that's how I got my biggest month in 2021. Another part of traders are like, if they are green for the month, for example, you are green $10,000, you will reduce your position sizing and you will try to conserve and to preserve that amount of money, and you won't be taking more risk because for you, $10,000 is a lot and you don't want to risk a lot of money. But I am a risk taker. I know that is my personality. There's nothing wrong with going either side because at the end of the day, you are growing your account. What I mean by risk taker is that if I am up $10,000 for the month, my goal was only $5,000. I will risk those extra $5,000 to make more amount of money, to make me maybe increase my size, to get acquainted with increased size, because that's how you increase your position sizing. If I get too attached to those $10,000, I won't ever be able to increase my position sizing because my money, my emotions are attached to that money. And this is what I did. In February 2020, I was taking 1 or 2 contracts on Tesla. In February 2021, I had a day where I was taking 60 contracts on Tesla. That's how I increase my position sizing, by not getting attached to the money. There's nothing wrong with either side, going either direction. But for me, I know my personality, I am a risk taker. But obviously, if I have a red streak, for example, on the first week of the month, I'm red $5,000. Would I increase my size on those months, my position sizing? No, that's against my rules. But if I'm green for the month, if I'm green $10,000, taking that same example, I can risk extra money. But if I come back to $5,000, then it's my job to reduce my position sizing again, because those are not the months to push it for me. This is the risk management strategy I follow. That's how I grow my account. That's how I'm able to increase my position sizing. I also had a detailed webinar on my risk management strategy for our Discord group. So if you guys want to be part of our Discord group, the link will be in the description box below. Now tell me honestly, are you guys thinking that I am gone mad because I'm talking about risk management in a video about showing my monthly statement? Because everything is linked. At the end of the day, for example, I am up $25,000 for a month and then I end the month with $10,000 green. I don't want to make a video about it because not a lot of traders will understand what I'm doing with my account. I don't know a lot of people who were taking 2 contracts in February 2020 and started taking 60 in February 2021 just after 12 months. Not saying I take 60 contracts every single trade, but I can take that amount of risk if I am green for the month. If I see a very good opportunity, I'm used to taking that amount of size because I have taken that size once or twice in my career. So for me, if I'm green for a month, I like to push myself. If I'm green $30,000 for the month, those are the months, those are like tickets to me to try new things, to increase my position sizing because I'm green for the month. And not many people will understand this. That's why I won't be posting about my monthly statement every single month. Now there's an exception. If you guys like this video, and if I get a lot of likes on this video, I will know that you guys, you traders are liking these kind of videos. So I will make sure to make more of these videos than I was planning to do my monthly statement. So hit that bell notification, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for a lot more content on day trading. So finally guys, here's my report for August 2021. I'm going to refresh this page so you guys know it's real time. It's not a recording. I mean, it's a recording when you guys are watching it. Here's my account number, which will obviously be hidden. And then I will go in realize summary. Then I will go in monthly. And then for August, HTML view, English, right? Run. This might take a few seconds. Now I'm gonna click on realized and unrealized performance summary, scroll all the way to the bottom. You guys can see I made 23,941.67. So approximately 24,000 US dollars by trading options, by day trading options in the US stock market. And that means I did not swing any positions. My account, my positions were flat at the end of each trading day. Okay, that's it guys. I have just shown my monthly statement. So I made 24,000 US dollars in August 2021. This is not my best month, not my worst month. It's a good month. I am very thankful for making $24,000 in a single month. Because a year ago in 2020 January, I was losing money consistently. Making even $1,000 in a month from day trading used to be my dream. Coming from there to making 24,000 after a year and a half or something, it's like a dream come true. And I know myself, I will keep pushing myself. I will get those big P&Ls. And in that journey, I will have a few big red months and red weeks as well. It's nothing new in this trading world. But my job is to control my risk, control my account, and continue moving forward slowly, one by one step at a time. Saying that, I would like to end this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, because I don't know if a lot of people will like this video or not. So show your appreciation if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see a few highlights of my trading journey. I post them on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.